In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove guests in ClickUp. If you need to clean up access in your workspace, removing a guest is a quick process once you know where to look. This is useful when someone no longer needs access to shared items, or when you simply want to keep your workspace organized and secure. To begin, start from your ClickUp home workspace. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen, where you'll find your profile icon. This is where you can access account and workspace options. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open the drop-down menu. Once the menu appears, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings area, where you can manage different parts of your ClickUp workspace. If you're new to this section, don't worry. Everything you need is grouped in the sidebar for easy access. On the settings page, click on People. This is the area where ClickUp lists members, admins and guests associated with the workspace. From here, you'll be able to find the specific guest you want to remove. Now, locate the guest in the people list. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct person before making any changes. This is especially important if several users have similar names or roles. Once you've found the right guest, move to the far right side of their row and click the ellipsis icon, shown as 3 dots. This opens a small menu with additional actions for that user. From the menu, click Remove. After that, ClickUp will usually ask you to confirm the deletion. This confirmation step is there to help prevent accidental removals, so when you're ready, confirm the action. After the removal is completed, the guest will no longer appear in the people list. That's your visual confirmation that the process worked successfully. If you don't see the change immediately, give the page a quick refresh and check again. And that's it. That's how to remove a guest in ClickUp. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to review your guest list from time to time, so only the right people have access to your workspace. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.